Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Ryan.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
What class are you in?
I am in grade 4.
Where do you go to school?
I go to Green Valley School.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Why do you like your school?
Because I have great teachers and friends.
How do you come to school?
I walk to school with my brother.
Do you like walking?
Yes, it's fun and healthy.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth, take a bath, and get dressed.
Do you have breakfast before school?
Yes, I eat breakfast with my family.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have toast, eggs, and juice.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help set the table for breakfast.
What do you do in school?
I study, read, and participate in class activities.
What subjects do you study?
I study math, English, science, and art.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like science the most.
Why do you like science?
Because it's exciting to learn about the world around us.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Can you name a book you've read?
I read The Adventures of Tom Sawyer.
Did you enjoy the book?
Yes, it was very adventurous and fun.
What lesson did you learn from the story?
The importance of friendship and honesty.
Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, I always do my homework.
Who helps you with your homework?
My mom helps me sometimes.
What do you do after school?
I come home, eat a snack, and rest for a bit.
What games do you like to play?
I like playing basketball and video games.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends and my cousins.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Alex.
Why do you like Alex?
He is kind and makes everything fun.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a scientist.
Why?
Because I want to discover new things and help people.
What does your father do?
He is an engineer.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister and one brother.
What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 9:30 p.m.
Do you brush your teeth before bed?
Yes, I always brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you say your prayers at night?
Yes, I pray every night before bed.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I thank God for the new day and then brush my teeth.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
What do you do on weekends?
I go to the park and sometimes visit my grandparents.
Do you enjoy drawing or reading more?
I enjoy reading more.
Do you use a computer at home?
Yes, I use it for games and homework.
What do you use your phone for?
I use it to watch cartoons and learn new things.
You did a great job.
Thank you, teacher.
Keep practicing every day.
I will, teacher. I want to speak better English.
You're already doing a fantastic job.
Thank you, teacher. See you tomorrow. Bye, teacher. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.